everyone, with a student of class 9, we are going to present our science project on the topic Spartan missile launcher.
This project includes Milind Kumar, Rohit Sharma and Aitadi. So for now, I am going to explain you the mechanism of hydraulics. This hydraulic is used to elevate the angle of the missiles. When I push this, the elevation gets placed and the angle of elevation gets increases. And when this hydraulic is used, this hydraulic leads to the change of angle of the missile. As you can see, the angle of the hydraulic of missile is changing. And now I am going to call Milind Kumar to explain the mechanism of Spartan missile launcher.
Okay. We have basically used the phenomena of explosion. So here the sparkles are there due to which combustion inside the container will take place. Okay. We have used as a fuel, perfume we have used as a fuel. So it contains 85% of alcohol due to which ignition will take place faster. When I will press, the rocket will move in the forward direction because the spark will take place inside due to which ignition of the perfume particle will take place and the rocket will move in the forward direction. Okay, now I am going to explain the reason behind that how our model is working. So we have used the phenomena of explosion. First, what do we understand by explosion? The very rapid build up and release of pressure result from the ignition of flammable gas or flammable liquid vapor in an enclosed container or space is called explosion. So this was what the definition of explosion. Now the question arises that how my model is working by using the phenomena of explosion. So usually for the occurrence of explosion, fuel and air have been allowed to mix in the container or space before ignition, so combustion reaction occurs very quickly. Okay, so here in our model we used a perfume as a fuel in which 85% of alcohol is present. Alright, now what actually happens due to which the syringe are moving is because the tendency due to which the syringe due to which pre-mixed gas to expand on burning. Here we have created spark as in the place of burning. Now this is what we needed for the launching. So if the pressure is increased in the container, the particles present inside it will try to push the walls with a greater force, but the walls are quite stronger. So there is the only way for those particles to escape is the place where they are joined with the pumper. Because it is the weakest part of the rocket. So when those particles will apply a force on the pumper, according to Newton's third law, the pumper will also apply a force on the rocket due to which rocket will move in the forward direction. This is the mechanism of our model.
I hope you liked our demonstration. Thank you.